Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You're tuned into the market-based edition. Yes, it is your fellow compadre speaking. Yeah. All right, so today we'll be discussing GME. Looks like there's a little bit of selling pressure coming into the market here. And if you're just joining us, welcome in. Hit that subscribe button. The YouTube algorithm is picking up on the channel here. We're growing pretty steadily. Thanks for that, guys. We appreciate your support. Let's get into GME, though. Excuse me. I wanted to post a video a little bit earlier, just before it broke $100. I definitely seen this happening eventually today. Trying to position myself, but I don't know. Something weird is going on with the exchanges, guys. It's kind of weird. But yeah, we're gonna get to the details, leave an appropriate thumb in the YouTube algorithm. I think I said that. Yeah. Let's go ahead and dive right into the Charts Air Show. All right, so today is February the 2nd, 2021, and the current price of GME is going to be $76.45. It's down approximately 65.5% for the day. Okay. All right, guys, so there was something that I was looking at in GME. I think it was on the 3 days or something like that. Maybe even the daily. So what's going on with GME is, obviously there's a lot of selling pressure coming into the market. I think the buyers are actually going to step in here because what's going on is a lot of people are getting really nervous. A lot of people actually bought in above the $300 level, $200, right? And they didn't take profits. They're holding until it gets to 1,000. And yeah, that's all the media needed to hear. I'm actually probably looking to go long GME. I actually bet against GME when it was above $300. Just by a long-term put, because I know these moves they're not sustainable, guys. Come on. And then what I was doing was right now I'm actually looking to long GME. I know that sounds kind of weird, but markets don't go straight up and they don't go straight down. I think this is kind of bring the boat back so to speak. It's down 64%. It's probably not many people are actually buying right now. Probably a lot of selling going on, to be honest with you, obviously. Excuse me. That's why I'm looking to potentially go long here at about $76 right here. Notice it's getting a nice little reaction. I can't say it's a bounce just yet. But yeah, there's a lot of selling going on, guys. So I'm probably going to entertain a long position here, just short term, maybe a day or two, over $100 because I'm pretty sure they're giving them away right now. So that's what I'll be entertaining here in the short term. And that's what I'm seeing in the market. So actually, I need to close this out. So if it breaks down below $76, then let's see, how's it? That still would be wouldn't be out of the ordinary for me. For those of you who are just kind of new to the channel here, we actually entered the market at about $40. We wrote it up to $60. Take it a little, get out of the market without all this volatility. And it appears that they're going to give everything back. Okay, so for those of you who are holding, saying that GME is going to $1,000, the weekly candles are not suggesting that it wants to go to $1,000 unless we have a move equivalent to what has already taken place within a week's time. So what does that mean? Let's say we actually do get a bounce here, and it's not a dead cat bounce from $73. Let me see, or $74, $5. It has to go all the way back up to $400, about 448%, and actually make higher highs than that if it wants to have I can't say a sustainable move, guys. None of this is sustainable, so let's be clear about that. But in order for it to actually have a chance to go to $1,000, it has to make an equivalent aggressive move to the upside above $400. So you're talking less than 3 days and up to a week to give the bulls a chance, right? Which is not looking good, guys. To give the bulls a chance, you have to have, it has to be a 400%, 300. It has to go up to $400 and obliterate that level within a week. I'll just say that. So we're talking from today and then leading over into, so you're talking February the 10th. I don't even know what day that is in the week. You're talking about February the 10th of next week. So you're talking about, 5 market days, not including today. Okay, 5 to 6 market days. That's how quickly it must happen, and it must protect this level down here at about $73. So hopefully you guys got that. I'll say it again. The critics are so weird talking about them all over the place. $75 if $75 can hold as support within 6 market days, the market must turn around and go back above $400 and actually obliterate that level and go to like $500 or $600. This way it would be a higher high. That's all I look for. It's so simple. I don't know why people overcomplicate this stuff. The market is in a extreme, obvious parabolic move. Okay, it's going up, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and extremeness, right? And then all the way down to make a higher low. That's fine. It's a very aggressive move. I get it. But as long as, again, let's cut this video out. I'm saying the same thing over and over. As long as like $73 can hold the support, yeah, they have to make just as much as of aggressive move to the upside all the way to and possibly, through, not possibly through. It has to go through 400 all the way up to $500 and $600 to show the markets that it's mature enough to continue higher and potentially reach $1,000. Do I think that's going to happen? No. But don't go by what I think, okay? Because obviously the market has shown that it can, do anything. Anything is possible, right? But I mean, like I said, guys, the markets, they don't go straight down and they don't go straight up. There's a lot of selling going on right now. So I would think that this would be an opportunity. I'm not saying go long here, but I truly think that the markets, they're not going to go straight down. If this goes straight down, if this level breaks $76, yeah, man, yeah, it's probably gonna go to like all the way down here, guys. I don't mean to frighten you guys, but yeah, I mean it's whatever. If you're frightened, if that means you don't have a strategy, I mean, these are the technicals. I'm a technicals guy. You guys can keep your articles. It's probably gonna go all the way down to $11. Okay, yeah, it's gonna get really nasty, guys. So if you guys are out there being irresponsible out there in the markets, I don't know what to say. This is an unsustainable move. I say that all the time. When the market goes up like 400% in a day, or like, you know what I mean? Those 100%, 200% moves in a day, day after day. You think that's sustainable? No. There's no structure. You have to build structure. You got to go up and down and up and down, up and down and up and down, right? Just build that beautiful walking up the stairs is what I love to see, right? So volatility is good, but straight up, no, it's not sustainable, guys. Let's cut the video out here. You have the levels. You have what needs to take place in 6 market days in order for this to kind of turn around. Okay. And that's pretty much all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Hopefully you found valuable information in this. I mean, I was very specific, so yeah, that's fine. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment. Let me know if you guys got caught in this mess, this storm here, this red storm, so to speak. And that's pretty much it, guys. Also, if you're new, we cover the alternative markets, Bitcoin, altcoins. So subscribe to the bell. We'll send you that information when it's available. That's it. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon, guys, and bye for now.